Imagine the deafening silence. That moment when you push the ignition, expecting that familiar roaring symphony, but instead you get absolutely nothing. It is a profound, almost heartbreaking quiet for any rider. My day began exactly like that. A personal challenge to awaken the mighty heart of my Yamaha MT-09, a sleek machine from 2022. As you might perceive from the visual cues, a subtle flicker danced across the dashboard when I pressed the starter. Then, a hesitant, almost whispered click from a relay, a sound of struggle, devoid of the mighty surge needed to spin the engine into life. A rider's instinct quickly confirmed the obvious diagnosis. After our long, frigid winter slumber here in Montreal, the motorcycle's life source, its battery, had simply run out of breath. Did you know, extreme cold can reduce a battery's cranking power by as much as 50%? It is a stark reminder of winter's toll. To revive it gently and securely, without endangering the intricate electronics of this magnificent bike, our solution arrived in the form of a small but mighty ally, the Noco Genius One. This intelligent, precision instrument, delivering a gentle trickle of just 1 ampere, is specifically engineered to tenderly restore the vigor of high-performance batteries. It is not just about charging, it is about nurturing its long-term health. What many owners might overlook, a true gem of design, is that the MT-09 itself comes equipped for moments like these. Tucked away beneath the passenger seat, you will discover a curated collection of essential tools, thoughtfully provided for swift roadside or garage maintenance. I am about to demonstrate how to wield the 5mm Allen key from that very kit, effortlessly unfastening the bolts that secure the seat. With the seat now gracefully lifted away, we gain unhindered access to the heart of the matter, the YT-10S battery. Now, let us carefully orchestrate its removal. The technical sequence here is paramount, a dance of precision to ensure safety. Always begin by disconnecting the black, negative cable first. This crucial step safeguards against any unintended short circuit with the bike's metal frame. Only then, with full confidence, proceed to detach the vibrant red, positive cable. It is truly remarkable to realize that the very tools supplied with the motorcycle are perfectly adequate for this delicate operation. Here is a golden nugget of wisdom for those who embrace home maintenance. Once the battery is liberated, do not allow any small components to wander astray. My practice is to immediately reattach the sturdy metal brace that cradles the battery, and then to thread the small fasteners back onto their respective cable terminals. This simple act of organized discipline ensures that every piece remains accounted for, patiently awaiting the return of the fully revitalized battery. With the battery safely extracted, I am now reinstalling the seat to shield the motorcycle's internal mechanisms. Then, a protective canvas cover will embrace the bike here in the garage, keeping it snug. Our next phase of meticulous work will transition indoors, into the controlled warmth of our home environment, where precision can truly thrive. Did you know that charging a battery in cold temperatures can severely reduce its efficiency and even prevent a full charge? Warmth is key. Now, for the unveiling of our crucial instrument, the Noco Genius One, let us discover what treasures lie within its packaging. First, the ultra-compact charger itself, a marvel of modern engineering. Accompanying it, a robust cable featuring sturdy clamp connectors, and naturally, a comprehensive user guide. The connection process is elegantly straightforward, yet absolutely demands the correct order. First, secure the radiant red clamp firmly onto the battery's positive terminal. Following this, attach the deep black clamp with equal certainty to the negative terminal. It is imperative to ensure an unyielding connection. This solid contact allows the Noco's ingenious microcomputer to accurately assess the battery's internal resistance, paving the way for a perfectly tailored charge. With all connections meticulously established, I now plug the Noco into the wall outlet. I will press the mode button repeatedly until the glowing red indicator light, signaling active charging, illuminates. For this specific battery, the 12-volt AGM mode is the optimal choice, a setting designed for maximum efficiency and longevity. This dedicated device will remain diligently connected until its indicator transforms from a steady red to a reassuring solid green. Given that this charger operates at a gentle pace of 1 ampere per hour, and our battery possesses a capacity of approximately 9 ampere hours, The estimated duration for a complete recharge could span anywhere from 10 to even 20 hours, entirely dependent on its current state of depletion. Did you know AGM batteries, like ours, often charge faster and hold their charge longer than conventional lead-acid types, thanks to their advanced construction? The ultimate reward, that vibrant green light, will be our beacon, signifying a battery fully restored, brimming with power, and eagerly awaiting its triumphant return to the MT-09. This journey, from silent frustration to quiet restoration, teaches us the profound value of patience and the power of understanding the intricacies of our machines. It is about more than just starting a motorcycle. It is about mastering the subtle rhythms of maintenance, nurturing what we cherish, and embracing a disciplined approach to preparedness. Each small, deliberate step brings us closer to a harmonious connection with our mechanical companions, reinforcing our own inner mastery. If this journey resonates with you, or if you found even one spark of insight, please consider joining our community by hitting that subscribe button. And do not hesitate to share this video with any friends who might also appreciate the art of bringing a silent engine back to life.